Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Timo, and this is the Timo Show. And in this video, we're going to do a job recap on a $200 solar panel cleaning job that we recently did. And the house on screen is actually a repeat customer, and we clean these panels twice a year. Now there's more panels, but the camera died, so I didn't get them all. But I'm going to tell you guys on how I got this customer, why I decided to clean from the ground using the water-fed pole, and also I'm going to share with you the way you can get jobs just like this for your solar panel cleaning business. And the method I'm going to share actually works for landscaping and mobile detailing. So let's get right into the video. But first, if you'd like to see exactly how I run my Facebook ads, check out the top link in the comment section and the description below, and that'll take you to the Solar Panel Cleaning Academy. You guys will learn my proven ad strategy that I use with Facebook and other social media, how to properly clean, so licensing, insurance. Also, I'll include my pricing structure, my upsell techniques. I mean, this thing has some girth. And right now, I'm offering $100 off for the first 100 customers when you use the promo code SOLAR1. Check out the top links in the description and the pinned comment below. And let's get back into the video. Okay, so this customer of ours, I gotta say, by far, is like one of my favorite clients. He has a rather high electricity bill, even with the panels, and that's because he has a pool and a sauna and some other equipment in the garage that uses a ton of electricity. And he explained to us that it's totally worth it to have his panels cleaned regularly, mostly because of the orchards and the fields nearby. Now they do a lot of crop dusting, and they shake and they harvest, and it creates a lot of dust. And for him, he also mentioned that he likes having his clean panels just because. Main reason is George next door never has cleaned his panels since he's had them, and they just look bad. So basically, he likes to have his panels clean just to basically make his neighbor's panels look bad. You know, some people are up to that, and I'm okay with that. His words, not mine. So he told his neighbor, which is actually a client of ours, and we heard through the grapevine, that he likes using us even though we're not the cheapest. And the reasons he gave was the other guys typically won't do anything extra. Like, they just are always in a hurry. They jump up, they get it clean, and then they're out before you can even really get a chance to kind of look at them and inspect them. He's the type of guy that kind of likes to hang around and kind of BS, you know. He loves the way that we always blow out the rain gutters, because he does have a maple tree nearby that always drops these big leaves in there. And what happens when the gutters are full and it rains is they fill up, and then the water will backfill into the gutters, causing like rot and stuff. So we had that problem in the past, but he likes how we let him know. You know, we'll blow him out with the blower. I got an electric battery-powered blower we'll keep on the truck. We'll just blow him out real quick, sweep him up, get him out of there. And, you know, that's not like an extra charge. You know, we just clean the panels and kind of maintain the gutters, I guess, since we're going to be there twice a year anyways. It's really a small task for us when we're on the roof, and it's just something a little, you know, go the extra mile. And another reason he gave for hiring us at a premium price versus the $60 guy is that we don't rush. We typically will stick around afterwards and chat a little bit. And we always ask if there's anything else that we can help with before we leave. You know, it's those small things like that that'll get you lifelong customers who are willing to pay a little bit more for the same service because they appreciate the value and the quality of the relationship and the trust, like the trust that you're going to get up there and say, hey, I noticed one of your gutters are full, or, you know, things like that. So he's since hiring us for the panels. He's hired us to build fences, paint his kitchen cabinets, and paint the exterior of his house, and several other jobs. So we landed him through, we landed this customer last year through a Facebook ad. I guess it's been 2 years now. And the way that we set up and run the ads is to maximize the lead flow, but like not break the bank. And if I remember correctly, he contacted us at a time where the leads were converting after about a couple of dollars in ad spend. And it's crazy to think that we've been able to convert and make thousands of dollars through a $2 lead. So I decided to use the water-fed pole on this day because I got a new one. Well, not a new pole, but we made some modifications to an old one and wanted to test it out. And we found out on most jobs, typically it's faster to just use the manual brushes. But this day we weren't in a hurry, and I wanted to try out the new setup. So if you guys need help getting more leads for your solar panel cleaning business, or just need help running successful ads without going broke, check out the link in the pinned comment and the description. The way that I run these ads also works for all home service-based businesses, like not just solar panel cleaning. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful or entertaining. If so, put Solar Wash in the comments if you're still watching, and I'll send you a gift. And remember, anything's possible.